America
kuna must go.
Yona America kwina must go. Agaroho must go away everywhere.
Mokira tene mathura turampure. Riu ni ara mairia ngoro kidogo.
Marauga Trump must go.
Yes. I know Trump one is very arrogant. And I'm not sure he's even moved. I'm not going anywhere. I'm saying we're gonna make America great again. Great again.
Ndĩrona news channel ĩmwe ya kĩmabũrũri over the weekend. Na kũrĩa ngana kuo nĩ makĩrĩ freedom nyingĩ mũno. Tondũ kũrĩa nĩ mararĩ na protest maandamano.
Yes.
Okay, never mind maandamano matikĩhana ma gũkũ.
Well, kũu gĩkaringwo thimbu nĩ thigari.
Rĩu kũrĩa they protest outside the White House.
Yes.
Mena mabango must go.
Actually, the law here is also the same. We have those kinds of rights on paper.
On paper.
We have usually to worry because we have the right to picket and demonstrate. Yes. Not a call, new exercise go practically.
By the book.
Yes. I just go to see the Mauro to tear gas so far.
No street protest. Bagaicoka makarikia magathiĩ mao.
Actually thigari ko jigua they are supposed to actually take care of you.
Kũrangĩra rũrũngani.
Kũrangĩrwo kahora na mũno mũtikarange mahũa ma thirikari. Yes.
Mũtigathũkie kĩndũ. Inyuĩ mũchanti must go must go must go.
Na mũinũke.
Mũcoke mũinũke.
Yes. Na ndĩrakwĩra gũkũ tondũ andũ mamarakaragia nĩ gũcorwo kũu.
We
no, I think their rights are also excess.
But again, their democracy is also old.
Kaundu maramatia ciugo makidescribe mugathe mutongoria wa bururi ucio wao. Ukaiga okay, oria pande hizi.
Huku.
Niki mararũnganĩra mũno haswa.
Marauga atĩrĩrĩ arũrũngani acio. Marauga President Trump ndaratwarithia bũrũri wega. For one, nĩ akoretwo na policy ya deportation. Kũingatithia kuma bũrũri wa America ndora maingĩrĩte kũu na njĩra cia magenda mbĩa.
He has always have I don't know why he has had so much obsession with immigrants.
Rĩu kaũndũ kau gatikenetie andũ aingĩ. Kana ratha arĩa marakĩrũrũngana. And of course the foreign policy. You must go.
Yes. Matirauga maga. It's all marauga oguo. It's all marauga it's fine to stay at the YMCA.
No gukorwo na must go ya kũrĩa rĩ.
Yes.
Ndona gũkĩrwo mwena ũrĩa wahotirwo. So they must keep the ruling side on toes.
Kule kwa pande ya mama. Etagwatia.
Kamala Harris.
Yes.
The Democrats.
Yes.
Democrats no nginya no make make sure Republicans.
Yes.
Matinariraski.
Thirikari cia kuitio gokanagira.
Acha kũu gũtirĩ handshake. Ona gũtirĩ broad base.
Rĩu Trump agĩkĩhokera mama rĩ.
Bũrũri no ũhorere. They have no such arrangements.
They don't. Hawana.
Ukishindwa you concede, you go.
Na mwenye anaendelea hivyo hawezi kukupea mahali.
Hapana. Ona kuna no kiama no gikuhagure. You know there is the party.
Yes.
Kana gikuime tigiti irugama riu ringi.
Yes.
It's against our policy.
You don't bring opposition people into our government after we work so hard to put you in power. You're bringing people in power that don't deserve our power. We don't want that.
The shared power, no.
Ũguo arutinda ũkĩũria mũno. Nĩ ũkauga ng'ania nĩ ũgokerwo nĩ ũyũ.
No karĩ akiuga nake na hĩrĩra cigana ona. Nĩ ũkũmethorwo handũ kũu ũguo.
Ona gwĩkwo nĩ kũgayanagwo kũu rĩ, Trump ndagĩkorwo mũgayania. Ndangĩneana. I'm not giving you nothing.
We defeated you.
We bet you straight out. The win was so good, so convincing, so straight. They counted every vote. Every vote was counted. We won fair and square. We're not giving you anything. Anything.
Unake must go gate-inĩ.
Yes. Mr. President. Mr. President. There are people demonstrating in the White House. What do they want? How many of them are they? What's our population? This is a small population only. Don't worry, they'll get tired. They go.
Na no amamatirie ciugo.
Trump ni amatoia ciugo. Urenda kuga ru mararunganira how of office haria mbere.
Gate-inĩ ya White House.
Yes. Hau muthi haria gate
ndigwĩciria nĩ gate tondũ nao ndigwĩciria no makorwo methate.
No
ndĩreciria nĩ gate ya na thutha.
He White House ĩno na ngwĩciria anga nĩ ĩrĩa ya tene. Nĩ ordination.
Old Mombasa Road.
Yes. Nĩ bara ngũrũ. Bara ngũrũ cia Makenji.
Ti njerũ.
Trump must go. Trump must go. Out with Trump.
Mena ibango nene mũno cia must go.
Yes. Kå nä gå kinya handå kaigua kwakä a gakimbikimbä kidogo igua twa
umenya for one gũkũ rĩ.
Yes.
Ithuothe including the system.
Yes.
We are unconventional.
We are unconventional heavily. Tondå arä a kå rä ndiona thigari icio mena mä tä ya icembe.
Aca.
Gå mä tä ya icembe rĩ å hangä ragwo maru
na nyaunyũ.
Gå kå nä gå tamå rwo gå kå ona tå ngä twetä kä rio gå thiä harä State House rä tå tingä thiä
gå cannot allow. You cannot.
Gå kå no ahingå re ndirisha imesema mkwende
gå aha abana
athi mathi maikarä ra rami thima nao rä u nä bå rå ri å cio kä rä a wä kä te naguo ndå korwo nginya mahiga mangä ikio
gå tirä thå
Amerika å ngä kä rogota thå iku å rute kå mahiga nä wä ikia ciugo
gå gä akagwo
ti taåni ndå gä korwo handiko handå
Washington gå tingioneka handiko
aca å guo tirä mahiga ma å iki we monaga kå tondå nä wonaga thenema ciaku nä awona wangä rakarä nä må ndå å ngä oya ihiga
gå tingäagaga kware
gwäcia thabarä ya gå thiä kware na kå gä ra mahigarä kaba marumane
mainå ke
na twä nä mamatagia ciugo kå president nä arumagwo wega tararumwo nä andå me kä rabu
nake må rumwo rä nä arå ragia
no is equally unconventional no mathä na mao timo maitå
aca
acio ngwä cia no matiå ä thä na å rä a amwe itå tå korwo naguo gå kå mangä tå raga marå rå ngana
acio matirä na mathä na marä a twä namo gå kå
no igua mararå rå ngana atä president nä amamenithia na kå
nä aramahå rithia mbara nene cacarä na kå nä araingatithia immigrants
gå kå Afrika tå rå rå nganaga twambe tå hå nio all right
kuko namna hiyo
hiyo
kuna must go in America
na ndio nake ndaragä coka
aca rä u acabu tamu ä no arä kia nä å guo nä agå korwo acabä te tamu igä rä
agä korwo na tano tena rä
ndangä kä maka
what are they saying? Leave them alone. I don't care.
Muri akomwira muthio na kou
na mo matirie ciugo yes
katokiona mastigo yao na gukinya ha
one kare gubunjwo baraza ya mawaziri
ndirona huko sioni
watikoya broad base
sioni
aya sawa
sawa vaiko vietigĩtie ndagĩka igĩrĩ